How are you all? I hope you all fine at home. I am your subject teacher of SST, myself Rita Pathak. Student, today we are going to discuss about a chapter 8. Chapter name is Air and Water. Student, in previous video we had learned something about our air, but in this video we will read about our water. Water is a precious. So today we read about our water. First, just like air, water is another vital natural resource for our survival. Student, just like air, water is another vital natural resource for our survival. We need water to drink. Even plants and animals cannot live without water. So, water is precious. All living things need water to live. A large part of human body is made of water because 71% of our body is made of water. So, water is very important to us. All living things such as plants, animals, insects, birds and fishes need water to live. So water is very useful to us. All living things like as a plants, animals, insects, birds and fishes and other water animals, whales, dolphins, crocodiles, all water animals need water to live. So water is very important to us. Next topic, sources of water. Sources of water. Water covers most of the earth's surface. Students, we know our earth has covered 71% water and 29% land. But it can be found in oceans, seas, rivers, oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. Oceans, spelling of oceans, O-C-E-A-N-S, seas, S-E-A-S, rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, stream, S-T-R-E-A-M-S, lakes, L-A-K-E-S, lakes and ponds, P-O-N-D, ponds. There is also water under the ground. Student, there are some sources of water like as oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. Okay? There is also water. We get water from under the ground. We get water from nature. So water is a natural thing. Water is not man-made things. Water is a natural thing. We get water from nature. We get water from nature. Rain and snow are the most important sources of water. Student, rain and snow. Rain and snow are the most important source of water. Rainwater gets collected in rivers, ponds and lakes. Rainwater we get collect in rivers, lakes and ponds. The snow high up on the mountains also melt. Snow is also melt and flow into the rivers. Some of the water sink under the ground. Some water is found under the ground. We take this water out with the help of wells. Student, this is wells. In ancient time, all peoples receive water from wells. Look this picture. This is a well. Picture of wells. We take with water out with the help of wells. This picture shows rains and snow. Snow melting and rain. Water from rain and melting snow is not salty. Water from rain and melting snow is not salty and can be used for drinking and growing crops. It is called fresh water. It is called fresh water. Rain and snow water is fresh water. It is not salty. So, we can be used for drinking and growing for crops. Rainwater is natural water. So, rainwater is pure water, fresh water. Fresh water is found under the ground and rivers, lakes and ponds. Fresh water, where is found fresh water? Fresh water is found under the ground and rivers, lakes and ponds. Fresh water found under the ground first, second rivers, lakes and ponds. Okay? Student, we know ocean and sea water is very salty. We cannot it used for drinking and growing crops. So, water is also found in the oases and oceans. However, this water is salty and not fit for drinking. This water is very salty. Look here, student, look here. Almost all the water found on the earth lies in oceans and seas. Only a very small part is available to us as fresh water. Student, on earth there is present 71% water, but only some parts of available to us as fresh water that we can use for drinking, washing, cleaning and growing crops. Oceans and seas water is almost all the water found on earth. This water is very salty, so we cannot use for drinking and cooking. Okay? Next topic, uses of water. Firstly, we read about of water. Second, sources of water. Third, uses of water. We read uses of water. Come on the topic. We use water for many things every day. For example, we need water to drink. We need water to drink. We need water to cooking food. Cooking food. Firstly, drinking. Second, cooking food. Third, we also need water washing and cleaning. We wash and cloth, wash our clothes, clean our utensils and clean our houses with water. Students, we also use water for some other work. Example, washing, cleaning, bath, drinking and planting. Okay? We use to clean our houses with water and wash our utensils by water. Third, farmers need to grow crops. We get our food from crops like as rice, pulses, wheat, maize, etc. Student, farmers need water to grow crops. Tell me some crops name. Rice, pulses, wheat, maize. Okay? Animals, birds, plants and fish also need water to live. All living things like as animals, birds, plants, insects and fish also need to live. And water animals, fish and animals like dolphins, whales and crocodiles live in water. Student, all water animals cannot live without water. So water is very necessary for water animal. Okay? Look this picture. This picture shows uses of water. First, drinking. Second, cooking. Third, planting. Okay? Now, student, in this chapter, we learn about water. Water, source of water and uses of water. You read this chapter line by line and note about of water importance and sources of water. How many sources of water? There are many sources of water like as oceans, seas, river, lakes, ponds. Okay? And uses of water. We use water for many things every day. Like as cooking, washing, cleaning, planting, and also all living things need water to live. These things we have learned from this chapter. Okay? Thanks.